confirm if there's any changes po sa Airbus po. The vaccination card at yung shipping permit.
Please be advised that the status of your assignment.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Manage booking tab.
Walang sagot ang Philippine Airlines. They're kind of busy today. Also, the other day, Saturday, friend tried to call them pero pinagpasa-pasahan lang siya ng mga staff. We just wanted to ask if there's an Airbus that can cater flying pets route Tacloban to Manila kasi gusto kong i-try yun. But last time yung route namin, we tried them. Kasi yun, Manila to Cebu. So, we just wanted to make sure if meron ba sa Tacloban since few flights lang ang meron sa Tacloban. I also tried to write them in their WhatsApp kasi sabi nila meron silang non-voice customer representative. Hopefully, they will answer and itatry ko din na i-email sila.
In order to travel with your pets, you need to have a veterinary certificate, a vaccination card, and a shipping permit. To get the shipping permit online, first, take a photo of the above two mentioned documents. Go to nsvqs.by in your browser and you will see these options. Log in if you already have an account. If not, you have to register. Since I already have an account, I will proceed to log in. Go to Application at the bottom part and click the one-time shipper. Then start filling the form. For the category, select Live. And in the purpose part, there's a lot of options, but if your case is like mine, traveling with pet, choose Pet as a companion. For the product source, select Local. Then provide the details being asked about origin and destination. If you are traveling with your pet, you are the sender and the receiver as well. The last column in this section is the mode of transportation. Just check the transportation applicable for you. In our case, we are traveling by land via private car and plane. Input the details being asked. Click Save Next. Next part is you need to input some details about your pet. For commodity, I chose dog. For subcommodity is the breed of your dog, the quantity, and the unit. Input the age, unit, sex, and in case your pet has identification means like microchip, you have to input the number as well. Next is the color and weight. In the last column, you have to upload a clear photo of your pet. After that, click Next, Save, and you will be brought to the next part, which is the uploading of the required documents. To do it, first select what document you are going to upload. In this case, the veterinary certificate. Input the document number of the certificate, date issued, the issuing veterinary doctor, and also his or her PRC license number. To upload the document, click the folder icon in the left box and select the photo from your source and upload. Click Save and OK. Upload another requirement, which is the vaccination card. No need to input the document number and issued by. Just go directly uploading the vaccination card photo. If your dog has a microchip, you also need to upload a certificate of registration. If they don't have it, it's fine. After uploading everything, click Save and Close, and you will be directed to this site. I usually review the details of my application before clicking Submit. After the submission, the status will change to For Review. Check the site from time to time for the status. In some cases, the evaluation officer will call you for clarification or instruct you like this. You have to comply in order for you to get the shipping permit.
How can I help you today po, ma'am?
May concern po ako sa flight ko from Tacloban to Manila, flight PR 2988. Yan. So ngayon tumawag po ako ulit to confirm if there's any changes po sa Airbus po kasi yun po yung advice nila.
Kumpleto na po kayo ng requirements, ma'am.
Yes po, kumpleto na po ako sa requirements.
Ma'am. Sa website po, philippineairlines.com.
Ang requirements po ng dog ko po.
Yes po, yung vaccination certificate,
Yes.
health certificate, tsaka yung
Shipping.
shipping permit po.
Okay, sige po. Scale dito. Yung ginawa ko po last flight namin with Philippine Airlines is sa check-in na lang po kami, sa check-in na lang po siya tinimbang po. Yun po yung ginawa nila.
Ano po bang estimated nung ano nyo, ma'am? Kailangan lang kahit estimated.
Ano po yun in
Kailangan pa
total?
nilagay sa booking.
In total po 31 kilograms po. Bye-bye, Leyte. Malakaw na si Tukoy. Kuyog ka? Ha? Bye, Norin. Bye-bye. Bye, Kiki. Bye. Mori namin ni Tukoy.
Oo. Ganda na mo.
Bye.
Ganda na mo. Oh, pag-abot dito. Pag may bawa mo nga, abot na mo.
Ah. Pwede ra, kuya? Excited oh, excited. Bye-bye, Kibol! Bye, Isabel. Bye-bye na, Isabel. Oh, biyana ni mo. Sit lang.
Please be advised that the status of your assignment
Voice requirements, the vaccination card, at ito naman yung shipping permit na kailangan tatakan. Salo dali. Tingihi. Boarding. Philippine Airlines. Magdoy lagay si Tukoy.
reclaim your check-in baggage at carousel number 6 po.
Kuya thought I'm coming. Kamusta ikaw, Koy doon sa baba, ha? Kamusta ikaw doon sa baba? Yay! Antay pa tayo ng isang luggage.
Tapos pinahan namin doon sa ano, kaya tinatanong ko kasama sa pet. Kasi putik naman, panalo ka, Joy.
Panalo.
Betik na. Tama mga ganito kumilati sa gwapo. Mabibiro ba yan?
Opo.
You're so gwapo.
Sige, anuhin mo lang po.
Ayos ah.
Who's that puppy? Hello, si Puppy!
You're so
He's so
gwapo.
fun.
Ayos.